10k is done. 10k is in. Right on track. 10k is in. We're just sticking with the 6:45 bus for as long as we can. Twenty k is down. 36 to go. We've reached the halfway mark. 28 k's.
Are you guys feeling?
Not too bad.
You look good. Asked you for some strength.
30 k's in. 3 hours 25 on Chapman Street. Made it to the top of Chappies. That's just under 34 k's down. About 22 to go. 42 k's done and dusted. 14 to go.
Not for us.
Across the finish line.
50 k's in. It's tough. But we go. 6 k's to go.
Come on! It's on you!
Thank you. 56 k's done.